Today we will discuss the lesson plan on the topic non-farming activities in Palampur. First of all, we supply this important information which are required in every lesson plan. This is the most important information. After writing this, we write the learning objectives, where we write the objectives of teaching that particular subject. What are the main objectives behind teaching that subject? Okay, it is also written in Hindi for Hindi medium students. After writing the learning objectives, we come across learning outcomes. What are the outcomes of teaching that topic? To define sustainability of farming, to explain importance of sustainable practices in agriculture, identify factors, suggest measures to make farming sustainable, understand non-farming activities in Palampur. These are the learning outcomes of this topic. Okay, you can write 3 to 4 outcomes. It is sufficient. After writing learning outcomes, we come to teaching method, where usually in economics we take lecture cum demonstration method and questioning method. After that, we write the teaching learning materials: chart paper, pointer, duster, chalk. These are the important materials required for teaching. Then after writing the previous knowledge of the students, we come across introduction, where we write the introductory questions to begin the topic, so that students get connected with their previous knowledge. Okay, first of all, we write the first question is, why is farming important for villages like Palampur? Because it is the main source of livelihood for most of the villagers. The question is also given in Hindi for Hindi medium students. You can see here. Second question, third, 3 questions is enough for introductory questions. After that, we declare the chapter name. We declare what we are going to study today. So here today we are going to study about sustainable development and non-farming activities in Palampur. Presentation. Now we come to presentation part, where our teaching point will be sustainable farming. First teaching point is sustainable farming, where we discuss about sustainable farming, how to farm sustainably. This is the explanation part. You can use blackboard to write important point on your own. Okay, I have given this point as an important. You can choose your own. This is a discussion explanation of this teaching point. It is also given in Hindi. After discussing the topic, we ask interval questions. At least 2 interval questions is enough. So name one harmful effect of excessive fertilizer use. These are the 2 questions I have chosen as an interval question, and you can take this question itself in the evaluation of expected learning outcome. Then we take second teaching point, non-farming activities in Palampur. This is the second teaching point of this particular lesson plan. So this is the explanation part of the second teaching point, non-farming activities in Palampur. You can also use blackboard to define some important points. I will not explain the teaching point. I am just showing how to create lesson plan for this topic. If you want an explanation, then you can comment. I can explain also. So the explanation is also given in Hindi. After explaining, we again ask interval question. 2 interval question. Students will answer. Why do we ask interval question? To test whether the students are glued to the class or they are listening correctly. So we have to ask them question to make them connected to the classroom. After this, we write the recapitulation, where we write the conclusion of teaching that topic. What are the conclusions of the topic? This is also given in Hindi. And after writing the conclusion part, we give at least 2 homework. The first homework is give 2 examples of transport service in Palampur, and the second homework is why are non-farming activities important. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos on lesson plan on different subjects.